Elon Musk is best known as the CEO of Tesla Motors as well as SpaceX, but left the program after 2 days to pursue his entrepreneurial aspirations and was on the verge of poverty. The Zip2, which he created with his brother Kimball Musk, when every cent he saved was crucial to the existence of his company. However, his move was timed perfectly with the internet boom, which soon led to the launch of his first company, Zip2 Corporation. And after this, the journey of Musk as we know today began with several ventures adding to his name. It aimed at providing online city guides for newspaper publishers, and before long, the company had won contracts from newspapers like New York Times. There was tension at Zip2 as Musk wanted to be the CEO, but the board stood firm against the move. And in 1999, a division of Compaq bought Zip2 for $307 million in cash and $34 million in stock options, out of which Musk received 7% of his stake, that is $22 million. In the same year, he co-founded an online financial services company called X.com, which later came to be known as PayPal. It soon became the online payment system of choice, with a few thousand users multiplying to more than 1 million in a few months. But boardroom troubles never left Musk and was dismissed from the CEO's chair over technical arguments concerning the future architecture of the service. Later in 2002, PayPal was sold to eBay for a staggering amount of $1.5 billion, of which Musk received his 11.7% stake, that is $165 million. Being the one who never rests on his laurels, Musk founded his third company in 2002 called Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, or SpaceX, by investing $100 million to get it started. His intention was to build affordable rockets and to unveil the boundless potential of space exploration and the preservation of the future of the human race. With the launch of its first launch vehicle, namely Falcon 1, which was the first privately funded rocket to put a satellite into Earth orbit, Musk managed to put down the space travel cost by about 30%. And his preparations to set up a human colony on Mars in the next 10 to 20 years are full-fledged, which he announced recently in a SpaceX meet. Now, who doesn't know about Tesla, the electric car company which revolutionized the automobile sector, in case you didn't know? Elon entered this company in 2004 with an aim to produce cars that are affordable, non-pollutant, and are mass-produced for the common people, with the agenda renewable resources being constant. Their first car was the Tesla Roadster, which bagged in an investment of over $100 million. Before thriving into immense success, it was a difficult moment for him in late 2008 when he filed for a divorce with his wife, invested his last $20 million in Tesla, and had to sell his McLaren F1. But soon things went smoothly, and the premium sedan Tesla Model S release made the beginning of an era. Musk stated that in 20 years, more than half of produced vehicles would be electric ones. Another car which is a crossover is the Tesla Model X. The technologies used in these cars are modern, with some of its features like Tesla's autopilot and gesture controls, which are in competition even with companies like BMW and Mercedes. With its latest car, the Tesla Model 3, the aim of the company is finally fulfilled, as it is the most affordable Tesla, starting at just $35,000. And his motive of creating environment-friendly transportation didn't just stop there, as he continued to turn his creative ideas into reality with the concept of Hyperloop. It contains pods moving in low-pressure tubes which can travel at more than 1,000 km per hour and can effectively cut intercity travel time. He even provided the concept of Solar City, which was co-founded by his brothers and is now the second largest provider of solar power systems in the United States. He even has his hands on several other ventures like Powerwall and OpenAI.